Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML defines the structure or skeleton of a web page. HTML consists of a list of HTML elements which acts as building blocks for creating web pages. We have around 110 HTML elements. HTML element defines the kind of content that it encapsulates. HTML elements tell browsers how to display the content, with each HTML element having a specific meaning, like heading elements for document headings and paragraph elements for paragraphs that hold the document content. HTML is not case sensitive, which means we can use both lower and uppercase names for HTML elements without any difference or issues. As HTML is a markup language, it only includes markup that we need to understand to build the structure of a web page, which makes it easy to learn and implement. If we look at the picture, we can compare a web page structure to a human skeleton, where each bone is like a HTML element that carries some content to form the structure. Overall, HTML is used to structure the web pages with headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and many more. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.